Fish.
Fish? Fish? Are you talking about fish? Hmm? Mm-hmm.
Fish. Da. Da.
Mm-hmm.
Da.
Can you say mama?
Mama.
Mama. Mm-hmm. Can you say papa?
Papa.
Papa. Can you say nana? Nana?
Nana.
Nana. How about grandma? You say grandma?
Mama.
Grandma.
Pizza. Pizza.
Gotta still work on that one. How about daddy? Daddy? Mm-hmm. About mommy? Mommy? Okay, let's get mommy. How about blue? You say blue? Blue. Mm-hmm, there's blue. There's blue right there. What you cooking? You cook me some eggs? And some bacon? Does it taste good? Does it taste good? Ella, does it taste good? Mmm.